cold, pull up in the snow, had to cover up cause she ain't know. Ho, ho, ho.
It's vlogmas, guys. My first vlogmas actually. Right now here just fucking up some food, but it is Monday. Hold on, I be always like telling you all the day and not knowing what day it actually is. It's Monday the 5th, December the 5th. So it's been 5 days of December so far. Right now I'm about to order some Christmas cake. Let me show you guys. Right, this is the cake. I'm about to order a slice for me and Bae because we can't miss this one. This girl does cake. This is not sponsored, but this girl does do cake every Saturday, and she's do brownies too, like assorted brownies, and the shits are so good. It'd be like fun to try a new flavor every week or every other week or whatever. So this is gonna be a Christmas flavor. Definitely gonna try this one. Yeah, but back to the point. Vlogmas. I won't do a vlogmas every day. I will probably do it every once in a while or every week because I don't do much in my daily life. That's the truth. So anyway, welcome to vlogmas. Get your popcorn, get your drinks, get your snacks. Stay tuned.
Do you want anything from Midnight Jordan?
And I'll buy Christmas fruits for the Christmas cake.
Follow them and then follow back.
Wait, who's doing it too? Granny wanna look for a snack. So I'm looking for a little snack to make room. These are so small. As opposed to, okay, I like these.
It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines.
I don't know if y'all can hear the music in the back. Like, it's really giving Christmas vibes in this house. Like, we ain't got decorations up yet, but like it's just makes it feel like Christmas. Anyhow, just got back home from shopping. I got little snacks and stuff for me and Boo. So that's about it for today. I don't think there's really anything else we're gonna do. We put out the Christmas tree soon though, but I don't know when, if it's gonna be in this vlog or the next one. But yeah. Hello. Yeah guys, so it's the 3rd day of this vlog this week. It's like the 4th, but I like not counting Sunday. It's the 3rd day. Today I'm going to the supermarket for literally one thing. I'm just going to get cookie mix because I was gonna get it yesterday, but it was at Jordan's and it's like they don't really got that much variety, so I was like, I'm gonna check somewhere else to see what they have. So I'm about to go and do that. I gotta clean my person first though. But yeah, afterwards I'm gonna spend some time with my boo, probably at the beach or something. We don't really know. Well, yeah, we can go to the beach most likely. There's nothing else really to do out there, but yeah, so I'm about to finish getting ready. Let me show y'all the fit. It's boring though, but this is what we're wearing. Just the white slippers. I'm gonna show y'all the hair when I'm ready. No, I normally use salt and saline solution to clean. The saline solution is not for cleaning, that's more for like healing. The soap to clean, or like cold med, but I don't have cold med, so simple soap to clean, and Q-tips. I don't know why I'm giving y'all a rundown of this, but do what I want. So yeah, I got ash on my soap because of I was smoking, but now don't judge me. I don't really clean my piercings that often because yeah, I don't clean my piercings that often because it literally like I don't need to. My piercings heal very fine. They don't be smelly. I clean them every once in a while, and it's just like they tell you to leave it alone, but then they tell you to clean it every day. Like I don't get it. So well, I don't do it because I'm lazy and I forget, but it proves to be effective. The piercings heal fast, and wow, like nothing don't happen to them. So just don't clean them every day. So I put soap on it, and I'm gonna clean it. I'll clean this in a minute. This is the front, and it's not even that much dirt. Anyway, then the back. The back harder to clean because it got like a flat thing, like a flat back. Like me. But yeah. Clean Q-tip with water, and then we go back and rinse it off. Know the ceiling. Okay, do it. Oh, that feels so weird. Let me get some paper. I know I'm missing it, but I don't care. I am going to get another helix person, just not like soon, like because I like it, but I like the double, and then I want to put like a hoop. You see that one? Yeah. So I finished cleaning my ear. I'm just about ready. Just got my shirt in my face, take off my hair tie, and then man just pack my bag. I walk in the bag, yeah, I can the bag, my bag, and man just out. I hope I find a bigger variety of cookie mix at Carlton because I went to Jordan's yesterday and they only had chocolate chip, oatmeal, and double chocolate chip. And I like chocolate chip cookies, but I say I don't like chocolate chip cookies because the chocolate chips are too sweet, and I don't be fun with it. And I like oatmeal, but I never tried Betty Crocker oatmeal cookies, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I think that's everything I need. It's not much. My glasses. So I'm hoping that I get more. So I'm hoping that I get more because then it would, if I don't, it would have been a waste of time. Yeah. I was also supposed to go to the bank, but I didn't get to because some altercations you were? No. Because of some complications, that's what I wanted to say. That I don't feel like explaining because it's a lot. So, I need lip balm. You can make your orange lip balm look so cute. Look at how it opens. You see this? Put it down. And it comes up. No. Okay, I highly doubt I'm gonna vlog in the supermarket. But I'm going to vlog at the beach for sure. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So talk to y'all later. Alright, I've been in the house for a hot minute, but I finally actually leave at home. So
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
day. I think Grant is starting to make cake, so I'm about to go and see what she is up to and help her out a little bit. Help us do all the fruits together.
Stop that. Stop that.
It's smelling like rum cake already. Huh? Okay, so basically, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but the machine to grind up the fruits isn't working, so my grandmother is blending it instead. I separated the dates and the prunes from the rest of stuff, and now she's blending up the stuff and adding the rum and wine or whatever, and then she's gonna bottle them off, and I'll show you guys what they look like after. Also, the cookie mix I got, no, don't judge me, y'all. The options I had at Jordan's were double chocolate chip, and oatmeal. And I was like, I don't be fucking with the chocolate chip because it's be too sweet. So, and I didn't feel like doing oatmeal because I like oatmeal cookies, but I never had oatmeal from Betty Crocker, and it's not oatmeal raisin. So, and yes, I like raisins. In some things, in most things. So, in some things. So I bought a regular sugar cookie mix. Don't come for me. But yeah. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, December the 10th. Yesterday. I know this is around yesterday. I bought this cute ass doll, guys. Like, I mean, like, tell me that's not sexy as fuck. Anyhow. Let me read my to-do list to y'all. Today, excuse my noise outside. I don't know what them niggas be doing, but let me read y'all my to-do list. The hell, where did it go? Okay, so I have to, today's Saturday, I said that. I have to clean my room. I clean my room on Saturday. I clean my room every 2 days, but I really do like the real cleaning. Excuse me. On Saturdays, I have to water my plant, my baby. This is her. So cute. I have to show you guys the fruits for the cake. The fruits that I was like separating and my grandmother was like mushing or whatever. I have to show you guys that. Given Christmas. I have to plan my week, take a shower, do my skin and body care, buy me some weed, and I got cake coming today. Remember the cake that I showed y'all in the beginning that I ordered? That's coming today finally, so I have to go pay for that. So that's basically my day. Then I'm gonna really just like get ready for tomorrow because I have a picnic that I'm going to, so I gotta get myself cute for that. So yeah. Also, this is not on my list, so I can add it to my list now, but I have to edit because I backed up on like editing. Like, I got 2 days of not editing, so I'm gonna actually do that first before I add any more footage.
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fills you up, then I take it down. Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Just now. I'm gonna show you guys later. I put it in the fridge. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm eating it, but yeah, so I'm gonna actually clean up my room now. It's a mess, I know.
And I'll take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
It's 4:44, guys. I've not knocked off most of the stuff I wanted to knock off for the day because I had to stop to go upstairs with my little cousin. Just a lot of stuff I had to stop and do, so I'm gonna try and do as much as I can before it gets dark.
Build you up in a tree. Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Time just to get thankful that I had days full of you.
So these are the fruits that went into the cake. Infused with like rum and port wine and learn American. Yeah.
Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up in a tree. And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and
I
wide.
already ordered my stuff. I finished planning my week. I I finished basically doing everything I had to do today. So I'm gonna go shower. The skincare and all that is gonna have to wait. I'm just, you know, do the regular face wash and moisturizer or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna shower and all of that now. So I showered and everything. I feel like I'm gonna eat my cake now. I wanted to share it. It was supposed to be for me and my boo, but he's not coming tomorrow anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna go fuck out some cake. Man, yeah, there's the shit. So let me show y'all the inside. Oh, ew. Let me use my flashlight. Ooh. Oh, come on, focus, bitch. Yeah. So it's cake, and then cheesecake in the middle. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna watch a movie and fuck this up. I'm not gonna do it on camera. Bye. Alright, it's Monday, December the 12th. Let me just fill in the blanks here. First of all, the cake. The cake was okay. I didn't like it. Well, no. I liked the cake part, like the actual like cake part. The cheesecake part, not so much. It had too much rum because it was a rum cream vibe. Had too much rum, so I couldn't really taste the cheesecake. Otherwise though, like her cake is really good, so it wouldn't like stop me from ordering. I don't remember if I mentioned that I was supposed to be going to a picnic on Sunday, which was yesterday, but let me tell you guys what happened. So I just happened to lose $100, which was the last $100 I had in my purse, and I got fucked up. So I ordered, y'all know, my enhancer, if you want to call it that, and I couldn't get it because I couldn't find my money. I also was to get bus road that money to go to the picnic, couldn't go because I lost my money. Either way, the picnic ended up getting cancelled, so I mean, it's still like I'm still pretty bummed out about it because we was planning this picnic for a while, but yeah, missed the picnic. So they ended up coming over and I spent the day with him. He made me feel a little better or whatever. So I didn't vlog yesterday at all. Yesterday was just a very depressing day for me. Well, no. Saturday night and Sunday morning was very depressing for me because I lost my cash. But I'm better now, I guess, you know. It is what it is. So yeah, so that's basically it. I was actually supposed to upload yesterday as well, but I was so occupied I couldn't edit, whatever. So this is gonna upload today, Monday. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.